Welcome to Texas Outdoorsmen.
Yep. Kill him. Good shot.
Hi.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Texas Outdoorsmen. We're on the 2025 youth opener tomorrow morning. We got Cohen, we got Eli.
What's up, guys?
Tell them what's up.
Hi.
All right, so we have some bucks picked out for Cohen and Eli. Cohen's going to be after this 3-point right here, and Eli's going to be after this 8-point right here. Hopefully we can make it happen tomorrow morning. We actually have some big rainstorms coming in, so
Yeah.
we'll see what happens. Hopefully the rain doesn't deter them away, but if all goes to plan, we should be lined up for a good hunt tomorrow morning for both Cohen and Eli. The way this video is going to go, we're about to open it with a Bible verse. We're going to be in Proverbs chapter 3, verses 1 through 2. And then we're going to talk about what rifle the boys are using.
What ammo,
what scope, and suppressor. And then we'll get into the hunt and the blind tomorrow morning. So Here we go. Let's open it up. We're going to be in Proverbs chapter 3. My son, do not forget my law, but let your heart keep my commands. For length of days and long life and peace they will add to you. So the boys are going to be shooting a Browning X-Bolt 30-06 that I've taken down to 16 inches, and it's suppressed with a Yankee Hill R2 suppressor, topped with a Athlon Ares, A-R-E-S BTR. This gun's shooting sub MOA at 100 yards. If you go look on our shorts, look for Cohen on there. It's 16-inch suppressed 30-06. It's got over 1 million views of him shooting vegetable cans with this thing. So that's what the boys are going to be shooting. And coming out of the pipe, we're going to be shooting Sierra Game Changer. These are 165 grain TGK tipped Game King Sierra bullets. So y'all look for that. It puts the smack down on the deer. But
yeah.
Eli and Cohen will be getting after it first thing in the morning. We just wanted to talk to y'all real quick, bring the Bible verse, and we'll see y'all in the stand.
I need to tell them something real quick.
Go ahead.
Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like the video.
All right, guys. Y'all don't forget to like, share, and subscribe like Eli said. And here we go. We'll see y'all in the stand. Let's get after it.
Send this video to a friend.
Now we just gotta wait on daylight.
Yeah, wait for a deer and go and shoot it. We're gonna shoot a deer, hopefully.
Okay. No. Go ahead. Watch him down in the scope. Wait.
I can still take it.
Wait.
this morning. He got him his first 3-point, biggest buck to date. And now we're back in the blind. It's 4 p.m. We got Eli on the 30-06 over there. And we're going to see if we can get it done. Y'all stay tuned. Deer coming in about 6 o'clock. We're going to put the big camera on, and Eli's going to smash one. Here we go.
I'm just going to shoot whatever walks out of the doe, because I think in another video, I have a big 7-point coming to a feeder at home. Well, it's not at home, but it's, yeah. And stay tuned for the next video and this video, so stay tuned so I can smash one.
Smoke City.
Dropped him.
Check the show. He didn't go 10.
He didn't go 10. I was like, you went 5.
Not even 5, but check that show. Good job, man.
Oh, how do you know what happened? He was asleep the whole time. I replied on the picture. I could hear that boy go.
Not yet. No way. You see him? You see him? Heck yeah, brother. That's what I'm talking about. Found him. Perfect shot, dude. No doubt. Get up there and hold his horns up.
Oh, yeah.
Man. Eli ended out the youth weekend with a heck of a biggest buck yet. Move that stuff. Let's see. Count them out for me, buddy.
All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points.
6 points. Perfect shot. Heck yeah. All right, let's get him tagged so we can move him immediately upon finding him, right?
Immediately. I was looking right there. I look just ahead of me, and I see a white belly just laying like this. I'm like,
I walked right
him.
past him.
I know.
All right, cool. Let's get the tag done. Here we go.
Perfect shot, too.
Perfect shot. Let's get the tag, buddy. Got to do that first. All right, well, Kat wouldn't let me film it. She couldn't help herself. She had to go and shoot one without me. So we're going to get the aftermath. We got a pile of meat in this buggy. We're going to see Henson's deer when we get back, because Henson was with his daddy and not with us. Gonna be on a big TV. Here we go. All right, well, we'll get back to camp and we'll throw Henson's deer on the big screen. We got Cohen, Eli, Kat, Henson. Everybody's pinching. Here we go. Y'all check us out, man. We're raising some snipers here in Texas Outdoorsman country. Let's go. Man, that's a heck of a deer.
Pick it up, hold it up for the camera.
Show it to me real quick. Man alive. That's a big old buck, dude. What do you think about that? Smoked him, huh? That's what I'm talking about. Man, awesome. Awesome. 3 deer in one night. Well, let's get to cleaning, Kat.
Okay.
Hey, Warden's pulling us over.